We're gonna work with horizontal type of mask. You can go ahead and select different font and different size. I am going to hit the check icon to commit the change. How do we move the selection? You cannot move the selection within this tool. What you need to do is grab like your rectangle marker tool or lasso tool. It doesn't matter. Make sure that creative new selection icon is what. Move your cursor where you like. I can just go ahead and hit the creative new mask icon at the bottom of the layer panel, and you can see a nice mask that's been created.